Okay, so here is September week 3, and still on the stationery theme. This time, I did need to count out squares, kind of, but I sort of eyeballed the first one to try and figure out how to fit 4 squares across. I ended up making 13 by 13 squares, and except for the bottom 4. So the days of the week are 13 by 13's post-it notes. They're supposed to be post-it notes, or little note papers, I guess. And then at the bottom, when I do the trackers, well, the hygiene tracker and then the task lists, I guess, those are 12 by 12. Mostly because I only had 12 squares at the bottom, and I wanted them to continue to be squares. So I made them a little bit slimmer in order to keep them squares. Oh, I also put these cute little, I thought they were cute little push pins in a couple of them. Definitely not all of them, because I thought that would be too much. But I like how they turned out. And then later, they kind of helped me decide that I want another way, I suppose, to, like, say they're attached to the paper, which is, you'll see later, I'll use some washi tape. But I made these 2 long banners because I didn't like that random open, like, empty space. And so this is where I put my quote and then what week it is in September, the dates. Then I go through and put in the days of the week and the dates, as well as labeling my hygiene tracker, my task list up next week, and upcoming stuff, so I can fill that in. And then I use my Uni Posca white paint pen to write in that this is the week of September 17th through the 23rd. And then my quote is, I kind of messed it up because I didn't space it properly, but anyway, that's why I blacked out that one line before rewriting it. Yesterday is a canceled check, today is cash on the line, and tomorrow is a promissory note. And the reason that came up, I'm pretty sure, is because I searched for notes. I searched for quotes that have the word note in them, and that one showed up, but I kind of liked it, so I went with it. And then, keeping with the theme of, like, notes that are attached to some sort of, like, a board or something, I cut little pieces of washi tape and to make them look like they're, like, taped down, I guess, in a few spots. And then I used a pen to make them look like they were, like, that torn edge of tape, the, like, crinkly torn edge. I just thought it was a cute little extra embellishment, if you will. Just editing my drop shadow a little bit because I decided to color in the background because it looked a little bit too plain to me, especially with the post-it notes being blank. I didn't really want to color in the post-it notes, but I also didn't want to leave it plain, so this was my solution. I just did the background. But then, with the solid background, the little washi tape pieces, I guess, didn't look fancy enough or interesting enough. So that's why I went in with some markers and some of my white Uni Posca pen to draw, like, little designs on them. Just little patterns, polka dots, stripes, swirls, just stuff, I guess, for embellishment. And then I added a few drop shadows around the post-it notes just to make them a little more interesting, I guess. And then after that, my brain dump page says just a note. And I guess that is all for this week. I'm just going to, after I put in the drop shadow here. I just write in the page numbers. And here's the finished product for this week. I hope you like this. This is week 3 for September. Only one more week of stationery theme left before we have to pick a new theme. Hooray! So yeah, I hope that you like this video. If you do, give it a like so that I know. Leave me a comment if you have any suggestions for themes or anything that you'd like to see me try in the journal. Hit that subscription button and the bell notification button so you know when I post new videos. And I will talk to all of you soon. Bye!